boys has got this race, a Charlie Chaplin man. The youngest son, he sports for fun, a Charlie Chaplin pain, and wears a funny-looking bowler on his little brain. They're absolutely dotty, there's no doubt, and nicely when the family talks aloud. They all do the Charlie Chaplin walk. The Charlie Chaplin walk is all the talk. From London town to far New York, everybody's doing it. The girls go to see him every night, and they all think he's a treat. And the only thing they ever dream about the Charlie Chaplin feat. They all do the Charlie Chaplin walk. The Charlie Chaplin walk is all the talk. From London town.
Taking this all apart because it needs to come out because it's in the wrong place. We bought this van in England, and one of the reasons we bought it was because it had already been started, the conversion, but the toilet's in the wrong place for us, so it's coming out, but we'll probably keep some of the stuff. It's got water in it. Bugger.
Stained water. This is our new van.
Put it in. So that's why we bought this vehicle. And it's got a few leaks here and there which we need to sort out.
How much did you pay for it?
We paid £2,300. It came with an MOT, 10 months MOT again, which is one of the reasons why I bought the vehicle, so it was already road legal. But after looking over the vehicle after we bought it, got it back, there are things that shouldn't have gone through an MOT, so I'm going to have to repair it before we get round to August next year, which is when the MOT is due. Front discs, prop shaft, a few other bits and pieces. Also I've got the cam belt to do on the engine, because that's not been done. It's done 130,000 miles roughly. But the cam belt hasn't been changed, so very urgent we get that done, and that's on its way, so hopefully next weekend that will be what I'll be doing to the vehicle. Well, as you can see, I've been working on the bed today. This is how far I've got. As you can see here, it's a very simple frame, and we've got it on 4 short prop shafts. The reason for this being is so that we can lift the bed up when we're carrying the motorbike and drop the bed down when we're not. So we've got more headroom and more comfortable. So this is as far as I've got. As you can see here, it's quite simple, very basic. It's just the telescopic things, a couple of timbers and some lightweight, but it's really strong enough, even just the one. So once the mattress is on board, that will spread the weight. Yeah, and it should be good. We're going to have a test run hopefully this weekend, just put the bed in, see how it feels when we're out camping.
Hello. So today I'm fitting the blackout insulation curtains and over this door here. It's the sliding door. I made it exactly the size of the glass, and I'm going to stick it with Velcro. So I did cut the first piece here, and then ta-da, one more. I don't know, here, yeah. So when it's finished, it's gonna look like this. So you have privacy and insulation, because this material keeps the heat out. So it's gonna look quite interesting from the outside, but who cares? Wah. Oops. Okay. Measure. And like this. Come. Yeah, this is it. Okay. So I'm gonna take the protection off. Oh, come on. Not so bad. Well, it's not the easiest way, but it's a way. Ta-da! Good. You might need one here. And here I'm gonna have magnets. Well, I think we won't need. Look, it fits perfectly. Just here. And this bit here does not work because there is a handle for the window, and going to be like this, but there's nothing I can do. Let's test if we can open the sliding door. Well, don't know what I've done. Oh, it's locked. Cannot open it, I don't know why, so